Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Altcoin Era and this is your boy Ahmed. And today we're going to look through the crypto market. It's going to get a bit technical, but just bear with me. So let's begin. We have 58 days left until the BTC halvening. We have 92 days left until ETH ETF approval. This year is going to be very interesting. We're definitely gonna get all-time new highs for BTC this year and Ethereum. Crypto is still very small. Nvidia is worth 1.94 trillion US dollars. The entire market cap, just one company, ladies and gentlemen, is bigger than the entire crypto market. Crypto is still very small and we have so much more to go. Some exciting news for Uniswap holders. I remember I was given an airdrop for Uniswap in the very early days, and Uniswap right now has gone up 60% on a new proposal to reward token holders in major governance overhaul. Uniswap governance token Uni gained 60% after a proposal by a key Uniswap Foundation leader to overhaul the protocol's decision making. The proposal would distribute protocol fees among Uni holders who stake and delegate tokens to rejuvenate the protocol's decision making. As you can see here, this is the tweet, and on Uniswap it's gone up a whopping 60%. As soon as that tweet came out, it went up actually a whopping 80% from wick to wick. From candle to candle, it went up a whopping 53%. So congratulations to everyone that's held Uniswap. The volume looks very bullish. Look at the volume, massive volume on this candle, and it's currently at $11. I remember when I was first airdropped, I think it was worth $2 or something. So yeah, and now it's $11. I think we can go up higher. I think we can go, previous all-time high was at $46. My long-term target for Uniswap is probably at 200 or 300. Some news from Arbitrum, the beta play for Ethereum. It's having an unlocking period at the moment, and it's coming out and it's about to drop in 24 days. 10% of the total supply is about to be released to Arbitrum, and it's happening on March the 16th, 2024. I don't think this is bullish. This is bearish for Arbitrum in the short term. This is Lock, ladies and gentlemen. It is a aggregator and a blockchain reader, uses AI and has a search engine, and you can also just monitor and look and check what certain wallets are buying or selling. So you can literally go through thousands, hundreds of thousands of wallets, and you can check what they're buying, what they're holding, what they're selling. And at the moment, Smart Money is buying ERC-404 coins. One of them is Asterix. Asterix is unlocking new possibilities of digital ownership, defining the standards of the future. Asterix is a beta play to Pandora. I've mentioned Pandora in the past, and some of my private members have made substantial gains. So this is Asterix. As you can see, it's just consolidating just above a resistance, and right now it's consolidating just above resistance. As you can see here, let me just show you right here, and it's just about to break out. Asterix is a beta play to Pandora. So let me show you Pandora. Here we go, Pandora. First it had a mega pump, then a drawdown, and now we're consolidating and we're about to go up higher. This is a very good consolidation for the meantime, and we're about to branch off higher. Market cap is 160 million US dollars. As for Asterix, on the other hand, it's only $20 million market cap. Circulating supply is 10,000. There's only 0.91 holders, and the liquidity is 1.2 million. So this is very, very tiny. It has a very, very small market cap. It's gone up literally in the past 24 hours, 17.87%. And we have another ERC 404 play, and it's called Paletta. It's called Paletta. This is their website right here, and this is the founder, the co-founder, etc., etc. You can buy it on Uniswap, and it's currently $894. You don't need to buy an entire token, but I'm just showing you this is what smart money is currently buying. In regards to this is what currently smart money is buying. Some honorable mentions is PYI, also known as Pyron. It's an honorable mention. It was launched a few days ago on the 17th of February. It's a fork of Casper. This is their website, and it's the next generation decentralized transaction network. Why I like this chain and this protocol is because it has a fair distribution. There's no VCs, there's no major players. You mine these coins. Pyron, I believe, is a dark horse. It uses Ghost Stag and literally is a fork of Casper. Now Casper has gone up almost 200x. It's gone up a considerable amount. Let me show you on TradingView. So this is Casper, and it's gone up a whopping 120x. It's gone up 128x in a bear market. And I believe most of the gains are already gone. If you're buying it now, you're just most likely exit liquidity. Yes, you can make some money, but you've missed most of the run. So buying Casper and DCAing into Casper is pointless for me, in my opinion. It's just really pointless. You might get a 10x, you might get a 20x, but it's already gone up 128x. Whereas Pyron, which is a fork of Casper, has been released this month. So the risk to reward is far greater. It's currently at a 37 million market cap, whereas Casper is in the top 26, and it's almost a 4 billion market cap. So it's a no-brainer. It's absolutely a no-brainer to buy Pyron. And if Pyron does similar or remotely similar to its counterpart Casper, then it's a no-brainer. You can easily get 100x. I'm not going to bore you into the nitty-gritty, but this has great potential. This has massive potential. It's early days, there's not a lot of holders, and it's already gone up 50%. I'm waiting for the white paper to come out, and once the white paper to come out, I'll read into it and look into it even further. In the meantime, you can mine this. It's a fair launch. There's no VCs, just simply a fork. It's incorporating other things that Casper has failed to do, which we'll see if they can do it. For my next honorable mention, we have Merchant Mo. As you already may or may not know, I am very bullish on Trader Joe. Trader Joe is a DEX on AVAX. I like their UX, I like their UI. It's even better than most of the DEXs on Solana, in my personal opinion. I've tried every chain, you name it, I've been there. I've tried so many chains. I've even been in the metaverse in places like Decentraland, Sand. I remember when I was so deep in the bear market, I went to Decentraland and I was the only person there. Merchant Mo is a DEX on Mantle. Now Mantle is a up and coming chain, very, very good chain, and this is their DEX. The total value locked at the moment is $205 million US. From August till now, it's just going up to the right. So very, very bullish. Volume is going up. Everything is going up in Mantle. It's just going to the right, as you can see. And they have a booming ecosystem at the moment. And one of their ecosystems, one of their apps is called Merchant Mo. Merchant Mole is a fork of Trader Joe, but they just brought it to Mantle. Now, this is the alpha. I'm going to give you the alpha now. You can thank me later. You can stake Trader Joe. So you can literally get free money from Trader Joe. For holding an asset, you can get free money. So you just can simply buy Trader Joe, and you can not only just buy Trader Joe, you can also get Merchant Joe. So what you do is you stake it on Merchant Joe, and literally in a few months later, you will be airdropped Merchant Joe. So literally you bridge your Trader Joe on this platform, you put it on Merchant Mole, you stake it. So for example, you decide to stake 500 Joes or 5,000 Joes. It's up to you. So you connect your wallet, you stake. You come back on the 1st of August 2024, and then you're going to receive an airdrop on the 1st of August 2024. Here is the analytics. You have 30 million Trader Joes staked at this very moment, which is not a lot. And the emissions of Mo every single day is 68,493 Joes. So Trader Joe is going to go up. Yeah. Let me show you on TradingView. Trader Joe. This is Trader Joe. This is the weekly. In my personal opinion, we definitely found the bottom. Not only have we found the bottom, I think we're going to go higher and further. You can make double your money for not only holding Trader Joe, but you can stake it and be rewarded with another token called Merchant Mole. Your investments can compound, double fold. BTC is currently at $51,006. It's down 1.27%. ETH is at $2,944. It's down 1.49%. Tether is still pegged to the dollar. BNB is at $375.68 and is down 2.42%. Solana is at $101.16. It's down 2.95%. XRP is at 53 cents and it's down 1.6%. ADA is at 58 cents and it's down 1%. AVAX is at $36.41. It's currently down 2.32%. Dodge is at 8 cents and it's up 0.13%. Tron is at 13%. Tron is at 13 cents and it's down 0.77%. Chainlink is at $18.18. It's down 1.28%. Polkadot is at $7.61 and we're down 0.08%. And finally, Matic currently at $1 and it's down 0.59%. The top gainers in the past 24 hours in the top 500. Number 1 is PNG, is up a whopping 250%. Number 2 is Uniswap. We spoke about them earlier and they're up a whopping 50%. And number 3 is Manga and it's up 22%. Closely followed by Flare, also up 22%. The top losers in the top 500. Number 1 is Spell Token and it's down 22%. Number 2 is Jasmine Coin and it's down 19%, sorry. And number 3 is Artificial Liquid Intelligence and it's down 16%. And this is the top gainers in the whole market, the top 5,000 coins. Number 1 is Front Fans and it's up a whopping 641%. Number 2 is Red Luna and it's up 340%. And number 3 is PNG and it's up 250%. BTC, like I said earlier, is consolidating. Now we're consolidating between this range, a very tight range of $50,739, and on the top range is $53,031. The reason for this consolidation is also volatility. The volatility has gone down considerably. This is a chart from Glassnode, and as you can see here, the volatility is going lower and lower as we speak. So we're going to move sideways for a while, and once we get to these historical low levels of BTC, once we get to that range, I don't know if you can see, so let me just zoom in. The volatility level is currently at 1.63%. I think we're going to soon see volatility come back into the market. Right now, there's literally very little movement. I don't think we're going to break anytime soon. I think we're going to consolidate for a while. If we do break out, the next point of control is at 48,000. And then after that, it's at 44,000. To the upside, the next point that we need to regain is at 55,000 US dollars. That's the next point that we need to get to. Then the next range is going to be 59,000, 60,000 mark. I'm going to keep reiterating this, and I believe that BTC is mimicking gold. As you can see here, this is the gold chart, and I think we are doing exactly the same. We are going to do a triple top, get to 69,000. Then we're going to come back down, maybe make a 30 to 50% drawdown, and then we're going to go right back up to 69,000. Ethereum price targets currently at $2,945. At the moment, we are doing a bull flag. We're making a bull flag. So we are making a bullish pennant. We're going to break out, and once we break out of this pennant, we're gonna head to 35. My short-term goal is 3,500. I think this month, especially the next couple of months, I think Ethereum's gonna outperform all the layer ones. I think it's gonna outperform Solana. BTC dominance price targets. I think we're heading down. BTC dominance currently at 52.82. We're making a drawdown, and the next support level is going to be 51.93%. If we break this support level, we're heading lower to 48.94%. One of my favorite charts, Ethereum BTC. We're just very, very close to my trend line. Are we going to break it? We're going to find out and see. My personal opinion, it's a done deal. I think we're breaking this, and we're going to break this resistance. My next target for Ethereum BTC is the 0.05874 mark. Then after that, we're heading to the 0.059 mark. This is the BTC CME's future market. The next CME gap is at $53,470. So this is the next CME gap. I think that's where we're heading to next. Cardano price targets currently at 0.5909. We managed to bounce off this support, which was very ideal. Buyers stepped back into the market and bought it back up. I think we're going to consolidate here for a while until some more volatility comes back into the space. At the moment, all the attention is on Nvidia. Nvidia is getting its limelight, and it's doing very, very well. Once that cools down, I think people are going to go back into crypto. My target on the upside is 64 cents. And then after that, it is at 74 cents. My target on the downside is at 54 cents. And then if that doesn't hold, it's at 47 cents. My personal opinion, I think altcoins have bottomed. It's done. It's a done deal. It's over. Total market cap, excluding BTC and ETH, currently at 540 billion US dollars. I think we're going to head up higher to this white line over here, which is 605 billion US dollars. And this is a pivotal mark that we need to break. Once this breaks, it's all out mania. This is the total market cap, excluding the top 5. So this is also known as others. And we are literally on my resistance mark. We are consolidating just under resistance. It's kissed my resistance mark, which is very, very impressive. And right now it needs to break past resistance, close above resistance, and then it's only up from there. This stage of the market is very pivotal because this trend line is hit this trend line numerous times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. So we have to break past this trend line and hold it. The minute we hold, it's a bull market for others, excluding the top 10. My next target is at 465 billion, which was the previous all-time high. And ultimately, my long-term target is at 2 trillion. We definitely hit the bottom. We definitely marked the bottom. It's a done deal. We found the bottom. So congratulations for everyone that weathered the storm. Price targets currently at $101.16. We have gone back to my support line and we've kissed this support line, and now we're holding support. It's pivotal that we hold support and we go back up higher. If we break support, we're going lower to my next target of $92, and then after that it's at $83. Ultimately, I think Solana is going to underperform. Let's compare ETH and Solana and let's see how this compares. So ETH at the moment is outperforming Solana at the moment, which is a positive sign for Ethereum holders. Last but not least, thank you for being patient, for watching the whole video. We have Mint Layer, road to 1000x, currently at 63 cents, 0.63544 to be precise. At the moment, we didn't hold my trend line of 67 cents. There was a token unlocking, which was yesterday. The next point of control is at 60 cents. So I think my next target is at 60 cents. And then after that, it's 55. Point of control is at 55 cents. Mid layer at the moment is on struggle street. Doesn't have any volatility at the moment. So it's just consolidating. I think we're going to consolidate for a while, and it's going to be on struggle street for a little while longer. Hopefully that's not the case and we break this mark, 76 cents, and hold above it. And then my next target is at 87, and then after that it's at 94. Some good news for Mint Layer. Mint Layer has started to bring out a few apps, a few dApps. One of them called Atomic DeFi, which is bullish for the space. This is good news, and I want to see more and more dApps building on top of Mint Layer. Anyway, thank you very, very much. Please make sure you share, you like, subscribe, all of that good stuff. I really, really appreciate it. It goes a long, long way. That's it for now. That's your boy Ahmed. Gonna enjoy my weekend. I hope you have a lovely day. Good morning, good evening, good night. Peace.